Today, you're going to learn how to open up the fretboard with the 1-2 system. If you've ever felt like there's so many scales and modes to learn, and you just want a simpler way to navigate the guitar neck, this method is for you. Or if you feel like you have a good handle on cage and some of your major and minor pentatonics, I guarantee you haven't seen some of the chords I'm about to show you today. These chords will let you play up and down the neck with confidence and freedom. In this lesson, we're going to only cover 2 chords, C and D minor. You're not going to have to learn a bunch of expensive music theory. It's only 2 chords. But why listen to me? My name is Alec Lehrman. I am a professional guitar instructor. I've coached over 10,000 one-on-one students. I've played for A-list celebrities including Kanye West, Chance the Rapper, Ty Dolla $ign, Molly Music, Jonathan McReynolds, BTS, Anderson Paak, to name a few. I'm also a Grammy-nominated gospel guitar player. So let's start with home bass. This C note on the low E string. And if you know this major pentatonic scale, you're good, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to play a C major. Okay? And that is just literally on the A, D, G string, 7, 5, 5. And then we're going to play a D minor. Same string set. We're going to go 8, 7, 7. Okay? Already, that sounds great. Okay, then you're going to want to play a C major on the next string set, 5s, okay, and then a D minor, which is 7, 7, 6, and then the same string set, C major, which is 10, 9, 8, D minor, which is all 10s, and look, it's just the same chords up and up and up we go. With this C major is 9, 8, 8. All 10s right here, D minor. And then finally, this one up here, the C major is 12, 13, 12. And then you put it all together. Ooh, all right. You add a little hammer on. You could just hang out here. There's a couple other bonus shapes down here. This C major, which is literally derived from that C major scale, or the C major chord. You just don't play the root. And then you could play a D minor right here. Same string sets. You're just going to play 3, 2, 3. Okay? I want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, my gospel guitar course. If you want to learn the chords, the scales, the licks, and just have the confidence to play gospel guitar, this course is for you. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And the way you add that professional sauce is adding hammer-ons and pull-offs. So hammer on, hammer on. And you can do it on the upper register too. So it's like you have this C major triad, and if you just hammer on that middle note, same with this D minor upper structure, you just hammer on, which is 10, 10, 8. Whew, so good. All right. And another really, really awesome thing you can do to just add that extra sauce in your playing is slide into what chord you're about to play just a half step above or below. So that looks and sounds like this. Listen to that. That just sounds so good. Okay. Here's another awesome shape you need to have under your fingers. It's this sound. And what I'm doing, that's just a C major, which is 12, 10, 8. Use that pinky to catch that 12th fret on the high E string. Whew. That's it. That shape. Whew. That's an expensive chord right there. But it's just literally D minor. It's a fancy way to play it. Don't get me wrong, but it's D minor. So what I'm doing is I'm playing, starting on the A string, 8, 7, 5, 5, and then using my pinky to hammer on the 8th fret. That is, if you got that under your fingers, you're going to be golden. Now, I never want you to feel lost. So what we're going to do is take the same chord progression and move it to a different key. This is a common thing I like to do with all my students. You don't ever want to say, oh, I'm locked in the key of C, but if somebody calls the key of E, you have no idea what to do. Basically, all you do is find in the key of E. Let's do that. We're going to do everything just moved up. So this is home bass. Okay. And then we played E, F sharp minor, E, F sharp minor, all the way up. You can go all the way down. That's really nice. You are going to blow people away just knowing these two chords. They're C major, D minor. Yes, there are some fancy extensions, but you should be thinking simple. The 1 chord, the 2 chord. Now that you feel confident playing these chords, you're going to want to check out this video to dive even deeper into gospel quartet.